We choose it quick. We went to improvise the way to the GPU and perform an unsustainable GPU. As used with remote control to minimize accidents. All is this related to the learning acquired during the semester, the different learning units, so as to take forward the project. This classroom project was implemented to facilitate the approach of the GPU aircraft, so seek that the whole classroom as car a sustainable self, with the recycled materials to help the environment and everything is remotely controlled to avoid accidents of loss of human lives.
The obstacles we had carry out the project were many. To cause the project to be delayed, many of the team members do not have good communication and change the plans of the structures. It is the reason why the project is getting complicated and taking more time than it had planning. The
Regarding the economic feasibility of the project, it depends of many factors such initial investment, product cost, market demand, and competitions. If the project can be produced at reasonable cost and there is sufficient demand for aeronautical GPU technology, it could be a successful besides economically. As far as social implication, aeronautical GPU technology could improve safety in the aviation industry by reducing data processing time and fault analysis. It could also raise concerns about data privacy and the collection and use of personal information. Overall, a GPU aeronautical project will have a both positive and negative impacts on society and must be carefully evaluated from all angles before behind implement. In my um, in my personal opinion about GPU aeronautical project could have a big impact of the aerospace industry. GPU are used to process large amounts of information more efficiently and quickly, which could lead to advance in aviation technology. For example, data collected by sensors of aircraft can be processed more quickly using GPUs, allowing for a real-time analysis and early detection of problems.
My personal opinion of the project is that a good proposal, only that the will take more time, love and light. It will define objectives since it is very large, the project of the time. We have the project. I believe that in the future the project will be worked. The class could be achieved in a professional manner and maybe in the future we could see it applied in different airports in the world.
Personally, I see a lot of future in this project since it was innovated. It's the idea that we can make very practice and it had a low cost. We should hurry up if we want to to make a good project for the public, and if we have the objective to entering a good project before we leave, because we are not making much, and that's my opinion.